Is it festival or fried dumplings?
Fried dumpling.
Bunty or beanie?
Bunty.
Gully or Gaza?
Gaza!
Sean Paul or Shaggy?
Both.
You can't say no. There's no way not doing it.
You're not set me up. No, I'm too. I forget this one alone. No other one. This
No other one.
I want to pick the two of them.
Right,
no other one I'll pick. But this one is the only one I'm going to pick both.
Caperton or Sizzler?
Jesus!
You said it. Caperton or Sizzler?
Shani, what a way you set me up.
Mate, it's not a setup.
You set me up.
Caperton or Sizzler, Spice?
No. You know, say, you know, say me and Caperton and Sizzler, friend. Real friend.
All right, I'm gonna give you one. And that's another pass. No more passes, though.
Okay.
No more passes. Country or town?
Town.
Juicy patty or tasty patty?
Tasty.
Shrimp, beef, chicken or veg patty?
Shrimp.
Red wig or blue wig?
After be blue.
White rice or rice and peas?
Rice and peas.
Ochi or mobe?
Mobe.
Street dance or club night?
Street dance. Straight.
Night out or Netflix and chill?
Netflix and chill.
Planting or plantain?
Planting.
Bogle or butterfly?
Bogle.
Slow wine or daggering?
Daggering.
You see how she said?
Daggering right, sure.